Here at Nordic Semiconductor, we're incredibly proud to show you our new state-of-the-art failure analysis lab. We have always focused on delivering parts with the highest possible quality, and armed with our FA lab, we are raising the bar to an even higher level. Please join us for a look inside. For the past year, we've been equipping our facilities in Trondheim with cutting-edge failure analysis tools. Close collaboration with our suppliers has enabled a record-fast ramp-up. The FA lab is now equipped with all the needed personnel and tools to perform complex failure analysis and advanced device characterization. Among the multitude of tools available are the various sample preparation tools, fault localization tools, electron microscopes, 3D X-ray, circuit editing, and delayering tools. The mission of our FA lab is threefold. First, during the product development phase, we can assist our R&D department with advanced characterization and testing of prototype silicon. We can also perform design modification and then have the changes verified immediately. Because of the proximity to our main R&D office, we work efficiently face-to-face, which is very different from booking slots at external labs or with external experts at wafer foundries. We will also improve our products through the deeper and long-term analysis, which we are now able to perform. Secondly, for new devices, we can analyze and understand yield issues, which will enable us to reach mass production yield targets rapidly. Lastly, in the event of a customer complaint, we can offer increased service to our customers, both in terms of response time and analysis quality. A full root cause analysis, which would have previously taken as long as 4 weeks, will in most cases be completed within 7 to 10 days from receiving the device in our FA lab. We are certain that our internal FA lab will help us decrease the time to market for new products, enable faster ramp-up of high-volume production, and reduce the amount of customer complaint cases due to even higher quality devices. Here at Nordic Semiconductor, we are thrilled we can offer the attention to detail and quality of service that our customers deserve.